Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get back our old YouTube, that YouTube classic. So let's see. As we can see, this is our new YouTube homepage. So I gave you some link on the description. Just copy and open it in a new tab. Paste. Okay. And add to .com or any browser you're using it right now. Just find the Temper Monkey extension from your store. So after that, close it. And now open the second link. And download this zip. Okay. So we're going to download this zip. Okay. Now we're going to extract it. Use anything like 7-zip or Winner. Just extract it to your desktop. Simply, just drag and drop or extract. Now, the YouTube Classic is an extension folder. That's why we need to cut it. Move it here on your C drive. Just paste it. I already have pasted it. That's why it's trying. It skips into replace files. Okay. It's an important file for our YouTube Classic. This is an extension which is already removed from the store. That's why we need to keep it here so it don't get deleted by any chance. Now open the extension. Okay. Now turn on the developer mode. Okay. Now load and go to your C drive. As you can see, I'm using my C drive. Okay, select that folder. Just okay. Now it's loaded. Yeah. Now just select it to subscription. Okay. That's it. Now go to Temper Monkey and go to dashboard, utilities, and file import. Okay. We already extracted that JS file. Yeah, YouTube Classic. Just select it and click install. Okay, that's it. Now, as we can see, everything is done. Just we need to take it out, load it, wait for it. Yeah, we got our old YouTube back. Okay. So just go to home by clicking there, subscription, trending, and home. Yeah, that's it. So enjoy.